How to make your add to cart button shake in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. It is going to be a very simple copy and paste video as well, so you don't really need to do a lot here. So just go down to the description right away and you should be able to find a code. You simply just want to copy it and follow along the video. So once you actually copy the code, you're just going to go to online store within Shopify and click on edit theme. Now in here, obviously by default, we're just going to look at the add to cart button, and obviously it's not going to shake. It's not really going to do anything. It's just going to stand there and do nothing basically. So all we need to do is just go to the theme settings from the top, scroll down to the bottom until we find custom CSS. So you simply just want to expand that and paste in the code right down here, and this is basically just going to make the add to cart button shake for all of your products. It's not going to be product specific, and as you can see, it's just going to keep shaking like that. So yeah, all you need to do now is just click on save, and you can just feel free to view it on any other product as well, and it's going to work exactly the same way. So yeah, with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.